Hey, Coach Greg here with Spell Training, and today I want you to lose weight with this cardio workout right now. We're gonna burn some fat. It's a completely standing workout, and it's a follow along, so from start to finish, we are gonna get through this together, so let's get to it. We're gonna start with a couple warm-up exercises, go into our full sets, and then end with a cool down. So without further ado, let's get to it. We're gonna start off with some arm swings. All the exercises are gonna be 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So let's get to it in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Do some arm swings. You really just want to start opening up our upper body, our chest, our back, arms. I'm just alternating between which arm goes over top. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. We're just trying to get that blood flowing. There it is. You can even do some arm circles if you'd like. We just want everything nice and loose. All right, let's take our 10 seconds. Next, we're gonna do some boxer bounces. We worked the upper, now we're working the lower. Also, make sure you have water on standby. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boxer bounce, you're basically almost like a tiny hop, but then you're just transferring your weight from one foot to the next. Again, a great way to get your blood circulating. Now, if you don't feel like jumping off the ground, you can just focus on ankle raises like this. Boom, this will also help you, or even a slight bounce like this without leaving the ground. The goal is we just want to get our body ready and primed for the exercises we're gonna do. And done, great job. All right, well, let's get into our first set. We're gonna start off with some marches. Ease into it, you know. We are trying to lose weight, burn fat. This is cardio, but let's start off a little more simple. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's march. We're just bringing our knees up. Now you don't have to do a high knee or anything like that, but see if you can get your knees going. You can add your arms if you like, but keep your spine straight. Suck your belly button in, just like this. March those legs, get a nice little cadence. Now you don't have to be like sprinting, right? But see if you can, almost like a brisk walk. And done, great job. Let's take our 10 seconds. Next, we have some squat twists. This is where it's gonna get a little fun. Pick whichever type of squat you want, quarter squat, half squat, full deep squat. But the goal is at the top, we are going to twist from side to side. I'll show that in just a second, because here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we're squatting down. As we come up, we're twisting over to one side, coming back to center, squat, twist over to the other side. Boom, just like this. Make sure you're breathing. This is the first set, so be a little more gentle. Get your body used to all the exercises, and then we can, turn up the volume, so to speak, for the next 2 sets. There it is. Make sure you are breathing and up. Great job. Between exercises, I like to just keep moving. Grab water if you need to. But next, we are gonna get to some butt kicks. Alrighty, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Now there's different ways to do a butt kick, but primarily you're basically just trying to get your heel or to the back of your foot to touch your bum if you can. Just like this. It's also working out your hamstring, your glutes. Boom. If you really want that squeeze, instead of focusing on just like bringing your leg back, almost like kick back, as if you're like scooping the ground. Pretend there's a shovel attached to the bottom of your foot and you're scooping the ground. You'll really feel it up in here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Come on, let's keep it moving. We have cross punches next. Here we go. Feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly, arms up. We are gonna be twisting from side to side for these cross punches. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Just really reach, extend. Pull from your core, make sure your core is tight. Just like this. I like to pivot on my foot. Boom. Or if you want, you can stay more locked in here and it becomes more of a torso twist. You could do this as well, whatever you prefer, but I prefer like the full body movement. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Do some shoulders. Move around. We have some seal jacks next. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. Just like a seal, you know, or. Instead of doing normal jumping jacks, we're just stepping out. Now, if you want, you could, you know, jump with it, but a step out is also good. We're just trying to get that blood moving, get our heart rate up. There it is. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Let's keep it going. We're almost done with set number 1. We have some lunge kicks. We're just gonna focus on alternating between stepping backwards, and then we're just kicking forward. Don't worry about, you know, trying to do a perfect lockout. Really just trying to get our body moving. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we're just gonna alternate one leg, kick, down, lunge, kick, down, lunge, kick, down. Be nice and gentle. What's more important is making sure we bring our knee up, not necessarily like the kick, because we're not trying to, you know, do this. So it's leg down, knee up, kick, just like this. There it is. Make sure you're breathing. One more, and done. Great job. Last exercise, let's take a couple second rest. We have ice skaters. Let's finish strong. All right, here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So all we're doing is jumping from one leg to the other, just like this. And again, if you don't want to jump, you can just step over and tap, step, tap. Almost becomes more of a curtsy lunge. Just try to keep your chest up. Try not to be bent over like this, you know, something like this. Just wanna have a nice posture. Boom. Just like this, you're doing great. Let's finish strong. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job, give us one of these. First set is done, grab some water. Marches, 3, 2, 1, go. We got squat twists. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, butt kicks. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, cross punches. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, seal jacks. 3, 2, 1, go. Lunge kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Ice skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Second set is done. Grab water if you need to. We got squat twists. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, butt kicks. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, cross punches. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, seal jacks. 3, 2, 1, go. Lunge kicks. 3, 2, 1, go. Ice skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. 3 sets down. Let's just finish with 2 more exercises for a nice little cool down. We're gonna do some neck rolls. 30 seconds on and 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I like to lean forward with it. Bring over to one side, all the way back. Oh, that feels so good. There it is. We'll switch sides in a second. Switching in 3, 2, 1, switch. Really stretch it out. We neglect the neck, the shoulders often. It holds a lot of stress, a lot of tension. So let's just get rid of it. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job finishing off. We'll do some torso twists. We did a lot of twisting motions, so let's just, be gentle on our midsection here in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So just twisting gently from one side to the other. Really trying to stretch everything out. Again, this is a cool down. We're not trying to, this isn't the exercise. We're trying to bring our heart rate back down, stretch our body. There it is. Keep it going. Make sure you're breathing. Great job. And done. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Hopefully you had a great time. Hopefully you're all sweaty and you want to do this workout again tomorrow. This video is gonna be up, so feel free to come back to it, save it. Also click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos just like this one dropping to you daily, weekly, honestly. Like we're just trying to pump out videos for y'all. And let us know what you like, what you don't like. We love hearing or reading your guys' comments. It motivates me at least. I'm sure Coach Mary and Coach Gabby feel the same. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.